Some morning skincare. I am clearly not at home. I'm currently in the Seychelles. I'll put like a little map here so you know where I am. I just had a shower and I'm letting my hair air dry, which I never do, so I'm very curious to see how it turns out. Nail color was so ugly, so Emma, who I'm staying with, just painted my nails with this Essie color. So if you are curious, it is shade 64 5th Avenue. Let's keep it real. I need to put some deodorant on. This is from Wild. It's like a natural deodorant. I'm not really a big fan of natural deodorants, but I'm liking this one so far. And it's so cute because it actually has my name on it. I always love using an essence before my serums, and that is a step I'm not even gonna miss when I'm on holiday. So this is by Laneige. This is their cream skin and just has a spray. So good. L'Oreal hyaluronic acid. I'm never going to travel anywhere without one kind of hyaluronic acid, and this is one of my favorites. Just makes your skin glow. Talking about glowy skin, if you follow me on TikTok or Instagram, you know I love these drops. This is by Glow Recipe. These are the watermelon dew drops, and they literally smell like watermelon if you haven't tried them. But just gives the skin such a beautiful glow, and there's like niacinamide in there as well. Bug on me. I had to bring my little spoolie so I can brush up my laminated brows. Of course, we are being sun smart, La Roche-Posay and Delios SPF as usual. You guys have to tell me what you think of my Hello Kitty water bottle that I got here. My lips are so dry. I have this like mini Laneige lip sleeping mask, and it is daytime, but you can use this anytime, and honestly my lips need it. I brought a little Sol de Janeiro combo. This is quite similar to Baccarat Rouge, so I brought the cream. Honestly, smells so good. Spray some of this on, and then for the final touch, I'm going to use some of this bread oil. This is actually made for like curly thick hair. I don't have curly thick hair, so I'm just going to use the tiniest bit on the ends, but I actually gave this to Emma because she does have curly thick hair. Oh my god, it smells so good. So I'm just going to pop a tiny bit in there, rub it in, and my hair is going to go absolutely everywhere. So I'm just going to put it on in the ends. I never let my hair like air dry. Look at all my hair just coming out. This is just usual for me. And then we can like scrunch it up a little bit, so then we have a little bit of a wave. Does this happen to anyone else? Rock up.
It's giving glowy island girl.
That like, is the goal.
Yeah, but like white style.